You want to save time and stay professional? This is how to set up auto-triggered messages inside of MorePro. What is MorePro? Well, MorePro is a software that's helped countless service and rental-based businesses make hundreds of thousands of dollars already, and that's why I use it for my own personal photography and videography business. My name's Tony, I'm your business ally, and in today's video, I want to talk about how we can get inside the MorePro software and set up auto-triggered messages. Automated messages keep customers informed, reduce no-shows, and make your business feel responsive without ever lifting a finger. So if that sounds good and you're ready to learn, let's dive in. All right, we've gotten inside of our MorePro software and we want to talk about how to set up automated messages. Where do we go? How do we do it? First, we're gonna go to the Marketing tab and go down to Manage Auto Messages. From here, you'll see any pre-made ones that you've already made before. We want to create a new one, so click on the Create New Auto Message button. And you can make the name of this message. So let's do one that says, let's call this a 5-star review. And you can actually choose if you want this to be a text message, email, or both. And if you do both, you would put the email subject line. So give us a 5-star review. Status obviously needs to be an active. Location, okay, so this is where you would select when this message gets sent, what action was happening, that's the location. So maybe we want it to be when a driver marks that the delivery was, or I'm sorry, the pickup was completed. So they've returned their items. We want to send them a text message asking them, a text message and an email asking them to give us a 5-star review. And as you can see, there's a ton of different locations that you can select for when you want automated messages to be sent out. All right, but let's just choose that one for this message. And then you can actually type the body of the message here. Now below, you'll see a bunch of options, buttons, whatever you want to call it. This is essentially short code. And so what these are is a way to personalize messages so that's not just so it doesn't look like just some mass email. So let's say we want to say customer name from the order. Well, now when this message gets sent out, the short code will populate those parentheses section with the name from the order of that customer to make it a little bit more personalized and it's not just some mass general email. So you can sift through all these and look at all the different options on the short codes and the information that they can put in there. All right, and you would type out the rest of your message and then click on the SMS message. Maybe you want this to be a little bit more relaxed, or it could be the exact same thing as the email message. You just copy and paste it over here as well, ensuring that you're using the short code however you would like, but you populate that in that text box and then go ahead and hit create new message. And that is how you create automated messaging inside of MorePro. All right, awesome. So to recap really quickly, we got inside the MorePro software. We went to that Marketing page, and then from there we went down to the Manage Automated Messages tab. From there we hit the New Auto Message Quick Add button, and we were able to fill in all the information we needed to set up an automated triggered messaging system. With this feature now completed, you can be rest assured that you're keeping customers informed and you're making your business feel responsive without having to lift a finger. So hopefully you're feeling up to it. So go ahead and log in and start to set up your automated triggered messages inside of MorePro. And don't worry if you get lost or have some questions along the way, you can reach out to this email below at any time. I'm so glad that I could highlight this feature for you today. Thanks for watching. Hey, while you're here, please subscribe to our channel. Don't miss any of our new content and new videos, but also to make sure that you are getting the most out of the MorePro experience. Until next time, I'll see you later.